Kayan, eggplant, tortang eggplant, omelette eggplant. At nag-blend ako ng carrots, orange, grapes at ginger, ng sugar, fresh, at turmeric rice. Ganda, ng sugar yan. Healthy, good for the eyes, antioxidant, rich in fiber, vitamin C. Ito rin, that's it. Ganda, no? Turmeric, always turmeric. Kasi gusto kong turmeric, maganda sa joints. Okay, that's it.